Namaste and welcome friends to my third session of Bengaluru Stories by Suresh Moona. Bengaluru is built by kings, commissioners, administrators, bureaucrats and so many other people. Yet there are some Samaritans whose contribution is also significant and equally important. Today I am going to tell you about one such great personality whose contribution to the development of Bangalore is immense, and it is a very important part of Bengaluru history. An accomplished man of letters, a journalist, a visionary, a philosopher, a political analyst, and then a connoisseur of art, and he is a builder of nation, social activist, and then social analyst. Oh my God, I am tired of telling you the list of the virtues that are rolled into one human frame. Then imagine, my friends, all these virtues are imbibed in one personality. Yes, he is none other than Devanahalli Venkataramanayya Gundappa. He is very popularly known as DVG. DVG is a celebrated polymath of Karnataka state. Well, friends, you may be surprised why DVG's statue is in this Bugle Rock Park. Well, I'll give you the answer for your query towards the end of the story. But now, let me offer my salutation as a mark of respect to this great man of Bengaluru. DVG was a titan, a doyen among Kannada thinkers and writers. He is known for his versatility. He has written and edited on a very wide range of topics. I do have some of the old versions of his works. However, Mankutimana Kagga, published in 1943, is considered as his magnum opus or masterpiece. There are different versions of this book, but I have the one which I am showing you now. It is one of the major literary works in Kannada language. Daltimas Rigmorel is the direct translation of the title Mankutimana Kagga. However, there is another English version, Thus Sang Mankutimma. This inspiring literature is the distilled version of his vision of literature and philosophy in his public life. It also throws light on life in its various aspects and dimensions. Today I am not dwelling on DVG's literary pursuits or achievements. For me, he is one of the greatest chroniclers of Bengaluru history. His association with the persons of all strata and layers and also the places are recorded and published in a series called Gnapaka Chitra Shala. They are all in 8 volumes. All these volumes are translated to English under the title Art Galleries of Memories. I have few volumes. I would like to show you the title. This is volume number 1, Some Literatures and Sublime Personalities. And this is volume number 2, Some Artists Luminaries. And this is volume number 3, Some Pioneering Men of Letters. There are many more volumes, but I just showed you 3 volumes as an example. It's a great source of information on Bengaluru stories. DVG gives a vivid picture of the persons and the personalities and the events that happened during his period. It's a very rich source of information for the historians of the city, particularly for a person like me. I'll give you just one example of his analysis of the virtues of the people he had come across. In his works on Diwans of Mysore, he gives a vivid picture of Diwan K. Sheshadri Iyer. He epitomizes his character through these words: who gave his head to Herbert Spencer and heart to Parabrahma. Another very significant contribution of DVG to Bengaluru is his establishing a very prestigious institution called Gokhale Sarvajanika Samsthe. In English, it is Gokhale Institute of Public Affairs. In short, it is called JIPA. It's on Bull Temple Road, Baswangudi. This is the institution. DVG was very much inspired by Gopalakrishna Gokhale. He was very much keen in bringing his life and ideals into practice. That's the reason why he established this institution. DVG wanted Mahatma Gandhi to come to Bangalore and unveil the portrait of Gopalakrishna Gokhale. At that time, Mahatma Gandhiji was in Madras. He accepted the invitation of DVG and came to Bengaluru along with Kasturba and G.A. Natation, who was a well-known author and publisher. They came to Bengaluru on 8th May 1915 by Madras Mail. His function was arranged by DVG in his social club, which was in Government High School grounds. Many dignitaries, including the Diwan of Mysore, attended this rare meeting. Mahatma Gandhiji unveiled the portrait of Gopalakrishna Gokhale. Later, DVG started this institution on 15th August 1948. Even today, the portrait of Gokhale unveiled by Mahatma Gandhiji is in JIPA. JIPA is a very rare intellectual forum, a temple of knowledge and Anubhava Mantapa. DVG himself used to hold talks and address and discuss on this dais or in this forum with his like-minded people. Since then, it has been known for arranging talks by many scholars on various subjects and matters that are beneficial for the welfare of the people. I had the good fortune of talking on Bengaluru stories many a times on this sacred dais. Not only that, I've also compared many programs in this august auditorium of JIPA. During recent years, the building and the infrastructure is modified in accordance to the present day requirements. Friends, for the yeoman service DVG has rendered to the society, he was honored with Kendra Sahitya Academy and prestigious Padma Bhushana Award. Central government also released a postal stamp in his memory. Now I am standing on DVG Road. It is named after him because DVG's house was here. Earlier, it was called Nagasandra Road because there was a village by name Nagasandra which existed nearby. But later, after the demise of DVG, it is named after him as Dr. D.V. Gundappa Road. In Kannada, Dr. D.V. Gundappa Raste. It has changed in accordance with the modern requirements. Yet, friends, it has not lost its original nativity. You know, it is like old wine in new bottle. Friends, in the beginning of today's story, You are curious to know why this beautiful statue of DVG is placed in this Jewel Rock Park. Well, I'll tell you the answer. See, DVG had an emotional and sentimental connection with this garden. He was a very regular visitor to this park. He and his contemporaries would come here and sit on any one of these rocks and discuss, exchange views on politics, literature, and many such other matters of public interest. Friends, visit Jeepa and then stall on DVG Road to savor the old and local flavor of old Bengaluru.